Hello, I want to welcome you to North Hardin High School for the 2021 school year. This video we have recorded today is for our students and our families to be able to show you all of our safety and health precautions that we have put in place as we return to school next week. In the video, we have some students who have come in to help us, and one of our assistant principals, Mr. Dan Mahone, will be showing you or explaining to you the procedures that we have in place.
Welcome everyone to the 2021 school year. Things are going to look a little different this year at North Hardin High School. All students entering the building will have their temperature taken. Bus riders, parent drop-offs, and student drivers. If a student has a temperature of 100.4 or higher, they will be moved to a separate room where they will wait for 10 minutes and then we will take their temperature again. If their temperature is still 100.4 or higher, they will be asked to leave. Staff will have their temperature taken also. If a staff member is 100.4 or higher, they will go to a special room and they will wait for 10 minutes and then we'll take their temperature again. If their temperature is still 100.4 or higher, they will be asked to leave for the day. We are going to encourage everyone to wash their hands thoroughly and take advantage of our hand sanitizing stations. We will be maintaining social distance in the hallways and the restrooms. All of our hallway traffic is one way. Our cafeteria will look a little different this year. Students will have to sit at a desk, all facing the same way. This year will also be different because we will have homerooms. Students will enter the building, grab a breakfast, and go to their homeroom class. Upon entering their homeroom, they will hand sanitize and they will get a Chromebook, which they will keep for the day. At the end of the day, we will go back to homeroom and they will turn in their Chromebook. Masks will be worn at all times unless you are 6 feet away from a student or if you are eating or drinking. We will not be using the water fountains. We will be using water bottles and we will have coolers available for your student to refill their water bottle.
I know it looks a lot different, but we assure you that we have put a lot of plans in place, and if everyone does our part, if everyone will follow the protocols, staff and students alike, we hope we can get back to normal as quickly as possible. See you soon, Trojans.